By science, you need a probiotic in your diet. You have recently taken a course of antibiotics. Antibiotics kill the bad and disease-causing bacteria, but they also destroy the good bacteria in your gut. This leads to poor digestion, poor absorption of nutrients, and causes gastric troubles. You have gastric problems such as bloating, constipation, or diarrhea or gas. Research has shown that adding a probiotic into your diet can improve your gastric health. You fall sick too often. Probiotics can improve your immunity and they build a strong defense mechanism against the disease-causing bacteria and microbes. You get frequent migraines. Recent study has linked the episodes of frequent headaches to a poor gut health. This occurs due to something called as a leaky gut. The toxins from the bad bacteria in the gut enter the bloodstream and causes inflammation and thereby leading to headaches. You have common mood problems. Mood problems such as anxiety, stress, depression, or anger can be linked to a poor gut health. Studies have shown that probiotics help in the functioning of the neurotransmitters and thereby improving your mood. So do you have any of these?